How Indigenous People Lived in the Rainforest by Emma, Eloise and Emily. As you can see in this picture, the Indigenous people of the rainforest live in harmony with their environment. This means that they do not damage their environment. Here in this photo you can see that the Indigenous man has a stick for hunting fish and his man-made boat to travel him across the river. Food. The Indigenous people ate food that they have found on land as they did not have supermarkets. Men and women had different roles when it came to providing food for the tribe. Women and children would often spend their days searching for and gathering food from their local area.
The tribe is cared for by their clever men or Ranaji. Ranaji are responsible for curing sicknesses, finding out the cause of death, predicting the future and making or stopping rain. The clever man uses rainforest plants for his medicines. Clever men are also able to see invading illnesses in a person's body and therefore know how to treat a sick person.
The first human inhabitants of the Daintree rainforest in North Queensland were the Aboriginal people. They were known as the Kuku-Yalanji people. There are more than 16 groups who have associations with the area. They are distinguished by the language they speak. Today, the Indigenous people that live in the rainforest play a very important part in the protection and maintenance of the Daintree. They care for the forest in the same way they always have. They also continue to pass on their culture in the same ways.